start. Welcome all, and let me share my screen. So, guys, today's topic is brainstorming and mind mapping. So, feel free to unmute yourself and let me know that if you have done mind mapping before, and do you know what is mind mapping? Anyone?
Yes, I have done it in the past, not the recent one. But as per my understanding, mind mapping means whatever idea is you are having in your mind, just
Mm-hmm.
put down, just note it down, just like a one word or three, four
Mm-hmm.
words related to that, and map them. That it's like a relation from one
Mm-hmm.
point to another point. From that second point, what comes in your thought? So it could be like any testing scope you can consider, or any live example, like if you want to buy a TV. So TV
Okay.
will be your main point or center of topic. So
Okay.
then type of the TV means like a LED or a monitor type.
Mm-hmm.
Then if it's a LED, then again your stream mapping will be extended as a flat one. Flat, of course, it's a flat, but
Mm.
a size 29 inches, 5 inches, or something like that. So
Yeah.
expanding our understanding about the requirements, what we exactly want.
Right. Right. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Savita, right?
Yeah, yeah, it's a
Yeah, yeah, good. So yeah, pretty much right what she said. And let's move to, okay, admit all people. Okay, chalo. Oh, so okay, so as you know my me. I'm Nagesh Deshpande. I'm founder of this Elite Tester community. So those who are not part of any groups or let me know. I will share the link so you can join the group. So let's jump into the presentation. What is brainstorming? So first question was, what is brainstorming? So Wikipedia says that brainstorming is a group creativity technique by which efforts are made to find a conclusive for a specific problem by gathering the list of ideas spontaneously and continuously. Okay, but I will start my video also, so it will help. And if the network goes down, we'll shut down the videos. Okay, so let me turn on my video. Okay, guys, can you see me now? Yes. So now,
Yes.
yeah. So idea spontaneously contributed by its member. So let's say we are a group of say 20 people here, and now we all individuals have a different mindset, different viewpoint, and different experience, different knowledge. Someone have gone to business school, someone has taken their education in a normal school, so they have different backgrounds and they different cultures, so we come with a different ideas. So now what we are going to do in today's session, we need to first understand what is brainstorming, and once we understand what is brainstorming, we are going to brainstorm on one topic, and we are going to create a nice mind map. So that's the idea. So first thing, understand what is brainstorming. So according to Wikipedia, this is brainstorming. Okay, so let me side it so it'll be easy. Fine. So everybody got what is brainstorming? Or any questions, any doubts on this slide? This is Wikipedia. This I took it from Wikipedia. Okay, so don't worry that this is very complicated. You can find this definition on Wikipedia. But now, if I give you this definition right now in very theoretical way, okay, it's very difficult to remember that. Okay, and always remember, when you read the information, it's very difficult to remember. But if you see the requirement, if you see the picture of it, it is very easy to remember it. Always remember, if I told you 100 things about Pune, but you never seen Pune city, and if I orally told you Pune is like this, Pune is like that, we have big roads, we have nice buildings, we have big IT parks, I told you, but you may not relate it. But when I'll show you pictures, city, Pune city, this is the road, these are the buildings, these are the IT parks, these are the historical monuments. You will immediately relate it, because picture, our mind get adapted to the picture very quickly. It remember very nicely, very quickly. So that's the difference between reading text and reading a picture. Let's consider you get a requirement, 1 page or 2 page requirement, and now you have to read the text. After certain point of time you will feel bored. Oh, this is boring. You have to take a break, you have to stop, again read, then again you have to go back, recall something and all that. It's pretty obvious. It happened with me always. But what if you get that requirement in a format of mind map? So let's see what is a mind map. So the same thing, that what topic we were discussing just now, I will move this one a little side. Let me check if I can reshape this one. Okay, I can put it here. Okay, so let's see whatever we're discussing just now, if I put it in a mind map. Brainstorming. How can we do brainstorming? How we can, without the criticism. So like, that is like, I'll come back to that point last. I'll go one by one. So go for quantity. So let's go for quantity means bring up more and more members, ask for more ideas, get more and more ideas. That is bring. Welcome crazy idea. Whoever in the group, take his or her idea. Don't worry whether idea is good or bad. Build on the other people's idea. So now someone gave an idea, you can build on top. So one door opens another door, something like that, until you are not thinking straight, but someone said something and you immediately realize, okay, this is a good idea, I will add on something more. Then there are nominal group technique. Then you can ask more questions. So someone says, this is my idea, then I said, okay, yes, like, but, and, but you cannot use but yes, and you can use these techniques. Then you can, okay, going back to the without criticism. So now don't criticize any idea. Simple. So if a person came with a crazy idea or lot of bulk idea, don't criticize, just hold your criticism. Okay. When you can do mind map or brainstorming to solve a complex problem, team building activity, or to find the answer of for something, you can do mind map or you can do brainstorming. Who all can do brainstorming? Anyone can do brainstorming. That is not an issue. As a group, as a friends, you can do anything. Students, product designer, most important for us, software testers. Software tester can do brainstorming by using mind mapping. Where you can use these brainstorming techniques? Office, home, school, college, anywhere. Why we do brainstorming? To generate various ideas, more people, more idea, and bring agility. Okay, so if you read agile testing, you will see brainstorming and mind mapping are two main technique given into agile testing. So please remember, this is the one of the brainstorming is one of the agility test technique. What we need to do brainstorming, what we need actually, we need a group of people that we are here, 23, 24 people. We need a problem statement or some idea that this is the idea that we have, and we need some tool. A tool can be anything. A tool can be a whiteboard and marker, a paper and a pen, or a mind map tool. So this very mind map I have made using a tool called XMinds. I'm going to show you that tool later in the presentation. So this, believe me, this mind map I charted down this morning around 10 a.m. and this is still under construction. This is not finished. This is not finalized. If you feel something to add into this, you can tell me, Nagesh, add something in how, add something in why, add something in what we need. You can add it. So this is this brainstorming called as a centralized idea. These called as nodes, and these called as the child node. Now you can make it more pictorial. You can add shapes, you can add different colors, you can use imaginary, imagination, all your imagination. It will help you to think more and more and more, and you will get more and more clarity on the requirement or on the problem statement or whatever. So this is all about mind mapping. Now you think that, can I learn mind mapping? Yes, absolutely. How easy it is? I'll show you how easy it is. Can anyone see this mind map and read something on that? Anyone? You can unmute yourself and read.
And I guess Savita here.
Yes, Savita.
So here,
What
main
is
idea is the Barbie dream house.
Yes.
Then it's having the boy
Mhm.
or accessor, and it is
Accessories.
that accessories,
Huh.
accessories, boys. Activity are and one girl.
Hmm.
That is the main node,
Hmm.
parent node we can say.
This is a
So when we
huh.
yeah,
Yeah.
right, yeah. So when we consider the node girl,
Hmm.
so we will have a child nodes like Terrace, Barbie, Nikki,
Hmm.
Stay,
Stacy.
Stacy,
Hmm.
Lace, Biased
Hmm.
are the child nodes.
Hmm.
Similar like for a boy, it's a Ryan and Kane would be the
Hmm.
child node.
Hmm.
And then for the accessor node, shoes, able, bag, makeups,
Hmm.
all,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
makeups all. It is the child nodes.
Hmm.
And similarly for the activities, making robot,
Hmm.
get dressed,
Hmm.
get dressed up, or buy coins and birthday cake.
Hmm.
Then watering plants and
Absolutely.
baking. Yeah, those would be the child nodes for
Okay.
that main idea.
Okay. Thank you, Savita. To read. There are, yeah, it will be difficult to read because it's a handwriting of a 6-year-old girl. My daughter was 6-year-old when I taught her how to do mind mapping. This was her first mind map. Imagine, guys, 6-year-old girl doing a mind map. This was her first mind map. Okay. And what she did, yeah, whatever the 6-year-old can imagine. A 6-year-old can imagine a girl is a Barbie doll fan. So she created a Barbie house, all the rain, cane, all that thing, watering the plant, baking cakes, birthday cakes, and baking cupcakes, making robots, all these things these Barbie and these boys does. So do you think it is difficult or this is interesting? What do you think, guys?
Interesting.
Anyone else?
Difficult to see for difficult for the first time, but interesting as you get to know.
Absolutely, absolutely. So now my daughter goes, into different subjects. So she started with the cartoon characters. She made for Ninja Hattori. She now recently she made for human body parts. What are the body parts we have? Internal organs, or external body parts, all those things, which is a science topic for her in her school. Okay, so you can create a for grammar, English grammar, you can create a mind map, add all those nitty-gritty into it. So now, how this thing as a software tester will help you? Did this question come anyone's mind?
Uh, of course, initially when I start Savita here. So when I started using the mind map, initial stage I do had that question how I can use this for the testing.
Hmm.
But at that time I started working on Agile,
Hmm.
so it was very easy to understand me why it's more useful for just mapping the requirement with your testing approach.
Hmm.
So, but of course, in the initial for the when I come to this idea for the mind mapping, a big question is how I can map. Not the it would be possible to map each and every requirement in that mapping. So yes, that's valid
Yes.
question.
Yes. Okay. So
Nilesh,
yes.
Vijay here. I have a question.
Yes.
Like we have, we have this brainstorming. We have this topic as a mind mapping. So, but while doing testing, at the time of execution, when will we need to think about these brainstorming and mind mapping, like at the time of execution or before it, or at the time of requirement gathering. So, where we should give efforts for these two things.
Absolutely. Very good.
Nagesh, I can take this.
Yeah, sure.
Vinod here.
Thanks, Vinod. Yeah.
Vijay, Vinod here. What I think is this comes and it comes in all the times. Okay, not only time of execution.
Guys, can you hear?
No. I guess he's on mute.
Yeah, I think we lost him.
Okay.
Are you able to hear me now?
Yes. Go ahead.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm saying is we can do it on all the times. Okay. In the requirements times, we can do it as we can think what is the requirement and what is our current phase and how we can map it. Okay. So this is the first thing. The second thing, when it comes to the execution, we have to think in such a way that and map it. So whatever my test case is covering all the nodes of the functionality of the application, so that I can get most of the issues out of it. So that is, I think, that is also we can implement, and even it goes when it comes to your review also to the agile. You have to explain what are the requirements you have and what are all it is mapped to execute, and whether I am covering all the scenarios for the particular as a tester, as well as looking into the steps of user. So this is what I think, that where we cover all the scenarios of mind mapping or mapping.
Yeah. Vijay?
Okay, you mean to say like at any point of time, parallelly with the execution, parallelly with the gathering requirement, parallelly with the designing test cases, parallelly with the execution of it, like at the end of the sprint also, we can use this brainstorming and mind mapping concept. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, because in a sprint, what happens in agile, what happens, what I see and what I going to this. Every time we will be having a refinement sessions, right? Each individual give their own inputs on that. Once you get the new input, you can see that whether this input I have covered in my test case or not. So it means that again you are verifying whether my mapping is correct or not, whether I need to change my map. What is the next mapping I need to do for covering this? So these are all the technology. These are all the topics comes to your mind when we are seeing new inputs coming from other members or other team members when we are in the refinement sessions. So we as a tester should be open for all and take those and revamp every time our test case or anything. So we should be open for this mind mapping.
Okay, got your point. Thank you so much.
And Nagesh, if anything I missed or anyone.
Very valid point. So let me go back to this screen again. So Vijay, like just now, Vinod said that you can create one mind map for test execution, for example. Then who is going to do execution? How they are going to do execution? When are they going to do execution? Where are they going to execute? Production, pre-production, test, dev, all that. Why we are doing this execution? Why means you will get all the stories. We have to test all these stories. What we need to
like
test.
these things we can include in test plan.
Yes, exactly. Instead of creating 15-14 pages test plan, you can create on one page and give it to the customer, saying this is my test plan.
Pictorial view. Yeah,
exactly. One pager test plan, one pager test strategy.
Okay, yeah, got your point. Thank you.
Okay, so this was the topic. Now the today's interesting session starts. Let's brainstorm, guys. Now this is a open floor. Everyone have to talk. No one is going to judge anyone. Every idea is valued. We are going to do brainstorming a day as a tester. You have to tell me your day, all of you. We are going to add as much point we can add. Are you ready, all of you?
Yes, fingers crossed.
Very low noise.
Yes, yes.
Saurabh,
Can you hear me?
yes, yes. So I'm going
Oh,
to
sorry.
start. Okay, so how many members we have on the call? Yeah, Saurabh Sinha said yes. Saurabh, nice to see you on the call. And feel free to unmute
Thank you,
yourself.
Nagesh.
Feel free to unmute yourself. Only thing, we don't want noise. We want, and no one will be get muted here. So this is the tool that, guys, I'm going to use today. Everyone can see that this tool called Xmind. So you can go to the website. I'll quickly open this website. And there are multiple tools available, okay, on the internet. There are free tools, there are paid tools, there are trial period tools. You can choose any tools of your choice. So this is the website. Go to xmind.net. Xminds, Xmind 2020, Xmind 8, mobile, mind maps, everything is here. Even the mobile version is also available, so you can download it on your mobile, okay, and you can explore, you can play around it. There are plenty of mind maps available on the internet, on Xmind, GitHub, everywhere, so you can start. So I have a trial version of Xmind 2020, and this is how it looks. So there are different templates available. Okay, so see, these are the mind map, these are the logic chart, these are the organization chart, tree chart, timelines, fishbone. How many of you have done fishbone diagrams in your career? Vinod must have done it. Saurabh must have done it. I know. So fishbone also you can create. Matrices you can create. Okay. So, okay, how much time do we have on this call? Because, okay, so one quick update. Let me quick check the time. I don't know how to maximize this. Okay, so one quick update. We did a small fundraising activity, and thanks for wonderful response. I'm extremely happy to tell all of you that we have sufficient fund to buy a full-fledged application for this meetup. We have sufficient fund. Only things, we haven't finalized the tool, because one of the two vendor we contacted, they required a company. We don't have a company, we don't have any organization. So thing is, we are going to finalize the tool this week. There are people who are working with me, so either we will buy Zoom or GoToMeeting full-fledged version, so it will not be interrupted. The recordings will be available. All these recordings will be available in YouTube on future. So this is the quick update, and thanks a lot for all the people who have contributed, and I'm extremely overwhelmed by your feedback. I got more than sufficient money now to buy the application, so thanks a lot. We have 10 minutes on the call, so what we will do, we'll quickly okay, let's do one thing. We'll quickly do a one round of introduction of each of you, and when the call will get reconnect, we will open a mind map and we will create a mind map for, let me minimize this. We will create a mind map for, I will open the window. And this is my centralized topic. So my centralized topic today is a day as a tester. Okay, now we will going to add multiple points to it, and we are going to work on it. So these are the topics. And another thing is like about this tool. Okay, I'll spend some time on explaining how this tool works, and then so this is the centralized idea. Now I can pull this topic here. or I can simply add one more topic here, main topic 4. Inside this topic, I can add a subtopic, and subtopic like this. I can build a relationship between these topics. So let's see like this. So my subtopic this and subtopic this has some relationship between them. I have some relationship between this. So I can do like that. I can group it. I can put a summary on top of it. So let's see. I have a one word for something, but I need some summary on top of it. So I can add some summary also. If I want to delete, I can just press the delete button. The topic will get deleted. I can minimize and maximize. So let's see if I add multiple topics here. And I just click this minus icon, all the topics will go, but I'll see there are 4 topics inside it. So I can click it. I can click and I can go. Another thing, I can go inside subtopic and I add more subtopics. So this is the basic functionality of this tool. You can download this tool. See, I am on trial period. Okay, I guess you can share this one, export. Let me check if I can export, because this is a trial period. So let me quickly give a try if I can export it. I guess I can export this tool. Vinod, please be on mute. Thank you, Vinod. Okay, then I can add some icon if I want. See, these are the icons I can add. Emoji also there. Flags are there. Symbols are there. Months I can add. Weeks I can add. So if I'm planning something, I can add some stickers. I can format it. I can use different fonts. Nevermind is the font. I can do bold. So if I can make a bold, I can make it italic. I can strike it out. I can do uppercase, lowercase, everything is there. Central, branching also I can do. Line, what kind of line? I want dotted line. I want a, for example, I want a thick line, thin line, all these things. Even the color, see the color has changed. So these are the basic functionality of this tool. I can put some boundary also. So go ahead, download this tool onto your system. Very easy. Trial period, open source, not open source, but trial period is available. Play around with this tool. Teach your your friends, your colleagues, your kids at your home. Another thing that I want to add, I'm not marketing that. It's a pretty expensive book, but something that you can buy for kids in your family. There is a book called Mind Map for Kids by Tony Buzan. Buzan, I guess, right? Yeah. So this is which is available on Amazon. Believe me, it's a little expensive, but you can certainly think of giving this as a gift to kids. It's pretty small book, very small book, and it gives you the different ideas of how to do mind mapping. Pictorial book, kids will love it. So there are other books also available. So specifically for kids, mind mapping is very good, very useful, and that's it, guys. So let's take a break. I want participation from everyone. So even if you are a fresher, even if you are 20 years in the industry, doesn't matter. All the opinions, all the viewpoints are valued here. Okay. So who is going to start? As a tester, what do you do as a tester on one given specific day? So I started with what?
Reports, like automation report or sanity report.
So what you do? You do reporting. Okay.
Attending scrums.
Okay. 1 minute, Savita. I'll come back to you. Swati, 1 minute. Come. Okay. Yeah. Attending scrum. I will add it. Reporting. What kind of reporting?
I run an automation script of the all sanity test cases of my application.
Test results.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Sorry, I stopped someone in between. What I do, one more point, what was there? Attending meetings?
Yeah, attending Scrum or
Daily Scrum.
Okay. What are the meetings? Daily Scrum?
daily Scrum. You should
Just a minute. Let me admit Sonali. Okay. Okay. Any other meetings do we attend every day?
yeah, the meetings with the developer for the any discussions.
3 amigos.
3 amigos, yeah.
Come on, guys. Saurabh.
Problem solving, perhaps.
Sorry.
Problem solving, perhaps. We'll do problem solving on a day-to-day.
Yeah, problem solving. Okay, that is true. What I do
For our colleagues, for us.
Okay, troubleshooting. You mean to say?
Yes.
We can do manual testing, test case execution.
Trouble. Spelling. Help me with the spelling. Trouble shooting. Okay. Okay. Troubleshooting. Okay. Sachin, you said something.
Yeah, test case execution, functionality check of application.
Test case execution. Okay. What else?
Defect
Review, nudge, test review.
Sorry.
Can we put it in attending meetings, or do you want me to put it in the separate? What I do? Reviews.
It's about test case review, I can say.
Reviews. So you can add reviews,
Yeah.
test cases,
Yeah.
execution. Right. We do reviews
Yes.
of test cases. We do reviews of execution. Right.
Defect triage.
Yes.
Valid
Defect
point.
triage.
Valid point.
Yeah.
Effect. So we will put. I'll Vinod sir, correct me if I am adding something. You can correct me. Okay. I'll say defect. One.
Defect triage.
Yeah. No.
Defect triage. Yeah.
Nagesh, can't we conclude all these things in one point as an STLC?
No. We are see, valid point. My point is we are trying to gather the things that as a tester you do on a single given day. That is the idea. Whatever I do, what I do every day. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, above that, I think we can put on the checking on emails to prioritize all those. what we are
Exactly.
writing.
Yeah, exactly. So I can add it here. Check emails. Okay. So now Vinod said defect triage. I can say defect retest. Right, Vinod sir? Right? Do you want me to add
Yes.
one?
Yes.
Makes sense. This is
Yeah, and even you can assign it to the. I mean, if you are acting as a PO or any other thing, you can assign it to the developers as well with the product owners agreement.
so you
yeah.
can say that defect tracking and allocation, right?
Yeah, correct.
Writing automation scripts.
Okay, so we are test case execution, checking emails. Okay, so we can say
Automation. In that we can add execution.
designing. I will say designing. Okay.
Nagesh, I would say that what I do would classify first with the things and then we can go for all this. So this should be second or third stage. If I say defect, defect triage and defect retest. But when I go a defect, I run checking emails is not a part of my STLC.
No. Again, my point is you have a valid point. You have a valid point here, Prashant. My point is we are trying to collect as many as things we do every day. We are not going through SDLC process or something like that. As a tester, even I can write what I do. I drink coffee.
Right. Yeah,
My
makes sense.
point is to segregate on this first in the SDLC, and then whatever you return, you can pull that into the another branch or in another level, I would say, in your mind map.
You mean to say what I do in the SD? Yeah, I will add SDLC and I will add all those points in it, right?
The points which related to SDLC. Next to that, so what I work on SDLC, and then I go for further.
I made a note of it. Let's park it, because my point is I'm not going into the SDLC. Again, I'm saying I am randomly cutting out the points that we do every day. Point is that, okay, I will make a note of it. Let's after some time we'll do. So managing our tools, coffee session with fellow testers, draft test case documentation, check email priority based on the delivery. Right. So now designing test cases and automation script. Okay. So these are the points I do. Okay, let's move to next point now. Okay, so this is what I do. These are the few points we are going to come back to again, and we're going to add more and more points. I'm going to consider points of Prashant, that how can we group it again on based on SDLC. So let's park it and let's take it later. And okay, so now anything that you want to add on some other?
Hi.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Shrunga. Like before the starting of the day, like after once the Scrum meeting is done, we'll discuss, like we'll go through the bugs, like which are prioritizing the bugs, which has to be fixed first, and communicate with developers and with my team members to get it fixed.
Yeah, so this is what Vinod mentioned: defect triage or defect tracking and allocation. So we are already we already covered. Very valid point, already taken. What I do again? Okay.
Nagesh?
Yes.
Just a suggestion, Savita. Just a suggestion.
Good,
Also
good.
add another main point, like how I do. So there are some points which we have included in the what I do. That could be go through for the how I do.
Exactly. So, very valid point. That's where I was coming. So you can add. Okay. Then I can add why I do. Okay. Where I do. Okay. So we have why, or you can add anything. You can add something which is different. Okay. So how I do.
When I do, we can add those.
Definitely. I'll add one more point. When I do. Okay. When I do. So like just now Shrunga said, in the morning I do all these defect triage and all that. So I can say at the start of the day. Okay, and now I can put a relationship between this point and this defect triage or defect. Okay, I don't know how this is work, but
Nagesh, I have one point for what I do. I can say, we have given these many points, but start of the day we prioritize the things, like we start the day as we have step into the system or our organization. So our first point will be like just before that day we have sent like daily status reports to our team members or manager. So accordingly, we have include some points like what we have planned to do tomorrow. So according to that, we put up those points, and we prioritize those things. What should I do on the same day? So I'm getting my point.
Reporting daily status.
Yeah, reporting daily. My point is not about reporting daily status. My point is prioritize the things. Like, should I take the defect first, or should I go for the Scrum call first? So like that way, you know what my point is about.
So
prioritizing the things.
Decide priority. Okay.
Yes.
Priority
Or
of,
planning for the day.
yeah, priority of defect testing.
Yeah, defect testing or designing test cases.
Test execution.
Or is there any sprint review meeting, sprint planning meeting? Which things should we pick up first for that day?
Yeah. So I can add one more decide priority, attending meetings. Okay. So here we can again go to the daily. So these meetings doesn't happen daily. Okay. So these are the decide priority. Okay. So again we can relate this thing to I don't know how these things work. I never tried this relationship. Okay, so let me skip this relationship as of now. Okay, now let's move to, we can come back to any point at any point of time, no worries. Okay, so how do we do? How do I do? How? Anyone?
We mentioned the tools there we use. How do I do?
Okay.
I think it's Nagesh Sonali here. So I think this must be might be tester is blocking for something or has not sufficient environment, so he needs to guide on that.
Can you please elaborate on that? I didn't understand.
Yeah, if we are having roadblocks, right, environment is down or whatever the main roadblocks are there. So tester has been stuck. So how he will proceed? So we should discuss these things first in the morning, how he will do, right?
Yeah, so that one aspect is coming here and defect triage you are going to discuss, but how are you going to? So let's see, if I again put a defect triage here, for example, correct me if I'm wrong, defect triage. Okay, how are we going to do?
Nagesh,
yes,
sorry,
yes,
interrupting
yes,
here. This way we can take it in the Scrum call. Okay, daily meeting when we have, right? If you found that our application is blocked or anything, we prioritize our work, which without the application we can take it up for the day and we can continue. So that can be taken care in a Scrum meetings. And even though if they just intimate the Scrum Master or anyone who is next to them, they can help us what to do that. That is what normally we do in our team. Okay. That is what I just wanted to update here. Yeah.
Valid point. Okay. So now, so another thing. Okay. So what do you want me to put here? Savita, you brought the idea of how. What should I add in how?
So how it's like, so with reference to the daily Scrum or meeting, attending meeting, I should send the invites with a specific time to the people. So I will send the invites first. So have that meeting schedule on the specific times. So that would be the first point.
Guys, help me out. Can we add a how here in the meetings, like somewhere here? Attending meetings or checking email or something, or should we keep it a how here and then add a how? What do you think?
Time deadline.
How and what would be the same?
No, there will be difference. My point is like review, for example. How do we do review?
Okay, so here it's like a relationship, I can say. Whatever I'm doing, what I'm doing, how I'm performing that things to get some result.
Okay, so let me put it like this, and I'll put it
for that reason we need to take a reference of points that we wrote in what I do, and we need to correlate with the correlate in the subtopics of that how I do.
Yeah, so what I did here now, let's see this, if this works. Okay, so I put a relationship between review. Okay, how I do review? Okay, I'll add a subtopic. Okay, how I do a review? I can do a peer review.
Right. Discussions with the team on the topics.
Then I can add brainstorming. Right. So see, this is the relationship build here now. Now let's put another thing. Okay. So let's decide priority. Okay. I will put a decide priority relationship between how. Okay. So someone chatting. Okay. Jyotisha, how can we add the time deadline? Whether we can add time deadline, whatever we had completed in past, whatever we are doing future. Okay, let's park that and let's think about it. Okay, so now how we decide the priority? Decide priority. How I do that? Again, we can do discussions, we can do brainstorming, we can do reviews and all that, right?
Yeah, all 3 points are valid.
Nagesh, can we discuss priority in the product backlog call, means initial when we have a requirement, which is do you mean it is related to requirement or?
No. The point is, I just told this decide priorities point is about a day as a starter.
Okay.
Sorry, tester. I'm sorry, not starter. Tester. So what we do at the start of the day, we the priority first of all, like before going for any call, what should I give points, important points in the Scrum call, or which defect or which test case should I go for first of all. So those things we can decide the priority. We can put it in the decide priority topic.
Okay. Regarding defect, we can decide priority in the Scrum call. We have suppose we have a n number of defects, and during the sprint meeting, we can decide the priority on the defect. First will be fix this or on the way.
No. Are you asking about the that point I gave in what I do?
Yeah,
right?
defect. Yeah.
Yeah, and actually, the point is, can you scroll up, Nagesh? I want to see my point.
Which one? This one? Or
no, last one.
This one? No. Tell me the point.
So decide priorities was my point. So under that we can I will give example, like with the one important thing, like let's suppose we have one very minor defect, or we can say a major one, not a critical one. So we can retest it in the next day, and we have one very important priority work like designing test cases or execution of the test cases, because we have given a deadline for the sprint. So like that way we can test that defect on the next day. So and we will design the test case and execute it on the same day. So like that way we give a priority for that day itself. Like we will test first of all, then we will go defect if time permits. If not, then we can test it on the another day. If it is a critical defect, then when we catch up the defect first, and then we'll go for designing test cases and execute them. So that's what my point is about.
Nagesh, can I take it?
Sure.
Yeah. So my point of view on this is like, so that's why the daily scrum, because in Agile specifically, we start a daily scrum once before we starting our actual work. So in that scrum, that's what we discussed, that what I did yesterday, what hurdles I have. Those could be with respect to the critical defects and all. So if we need, they need that to, it's a blocker issue or a high priority issue, that comes in a discussion on that point only in the scrum meeting, and there we can get the priority if because everybody in the scrum team would be there, like BA also would be there, scrum master would be there. So as per the priority, the next action taken will be decided, and accordingly we will start our day. So all these point will cover up in your daily scrum before you start anything. Even you going maybe possible that you just come to office and immediately go for the daily scrum, and after that you actually read your email. So so most of the time the daily scrum actually the place where all the discussions happen, what you're going to do in that day. If anybody has some blocker issues, just take a decision on that and just take an action for that day. So that's what my
Okay,
understanding is the same point
then
for the Scrum.
yeah, nice point. Thanks. So we can decide, we can put that decide priority point under the Scrum call subtopic. So we can put something like that. So we have written somewhere some Scrum call. We can put that decide priority option under that. Is it okay, Nagesh?
Yeah, maybe that is the better option.
Yeah.
Okay, so I just added these points. So what I do testing of web application, web services, API, mobiles, all that. Okay, so now what, Vijay, what do you want me to add?
Yeah, like I have added one separate point, decide priority. So as per I just suggestion from
Savita.
from friends, Savita. So we can add that decide priority subtopic under Scrum call options, so that it will cover under all those stuff.
Okay, so I can copy this one.
Yeah, under a Scrum call,
And
you can add a subtopic for a Scrum call. And
done.
Can paste it.
Done. Here I added it. Decided the priority of defect tracking, everything in the Scrum meeting.
Yeah.
Okay. Right?
Yes. I'm not able to see. I don't know.
Here.
Decide priority.
Here.
Okay. You are okay. How I do it? Okay. No problem. Yeah.
How I do Scrum meeting? I decided priority in the Scrum meeting of these. Okay.
Yes.
Right. So now let's we will go back to the suggestions that Prashant has given. So we will think in that direction also. But now tell me where I test, where I do what, or we need not to go how, when, what. You can add any point. Okay, day as a tester. No.
Test environment, production environment.
Yes, so I can say test
environment.
We can do like that also. Where I can add environments. Then I can add test. Prod. Production. Pre-production. Anything else? Anything else want to add?
Defects can be tracked in the Jira, means any specific tool that we can add. Where I do.
Okay.
What about database testing?
Yeah, these are the type of testing that you. So you can add a subtopic saying that type of testing. There can be a separate mind map for type of testing also. Okay, so I can add, sorry, I don't want to do like this. So I can add all kind of, so I wrote actually here testing, what I do or testing. I can simply copy these and I can paste it here. Okay, so I can write database. I already wrote web application, batch, process, or I can. So what are the different type of testing guys you have done? Okay, so let not stick to this what and when and how and all that. Okay, so let me add one more point and you guys help me to. Okay, so I do something like main topic and I'll pull it in this direction. Okay, I'll delete it. Learn. What I learn every day? Domain, right? Whichever domain we have. So we can add further on domain, whatever domain we work. Guys, agree, disagree?
Agree. Communication.
Yeah.
Yes, we learn how to communicate, communication.
Technology.
Technologies. What also? What else we do? What we learn? Testing. Right?
Lead activities or managerial areas,
Right?
learning those.
Yes.
Going
So
forward.
that is I can call it a behavioral skills. Those are behavioral skills, right? Managing people. I can change the spelling. Okay, I can check the spelling later. Do you agree with this one? Behavioral skills?
Yes.
Okay. What else? So this was the idea. Actually, I put learn, but now you can suggest something. Okay, let me check chat. In chat, someone gave some good ideas. Prashant said that we added that priority design test cases. We added coffee session with fellow testers. Or a good point. What I do a coffee session. So what I do, I can add attending meeting. I can add go next. Let's topic. I don't want to this topic. I added that. Okay. So what else we have on chat? Coffee session, managing our tools. Okay. So managing our tools. Where can we put managing our tools?
Where I do or how I do.
How it cannot be. How we have to add that how we manage the tools. But what I do, that is important. That is
where means like with the application.
Okay, so then Jyotishna, I didn't understand your point actually. Learn should be part of what I do. Yeah, agree Prashant, absolutely agree with Prashant. I can simply add this point Control X and I can put it in a learn because I learn all these things. Very valid point, Prashant. That is true. What I do is I learn. Okay, so that is one thing. What I do is again in the type of testing I can add it in what or yes, I can do that type of what I do different type of testing. That is another. Okay, so this is the point how I do. Okay, why I do, or you can add something else. Type of testing is same. Yeah, thanks Prashant. Great. Sorry, I have to drop off. Yeah, Saurabh, that's fine. Okay, recordings will be available and you can visit the recordings again. Thanks Saurabh. Okay, so why I do? Why do I do testing?
To achieve the delivery goal.
That is not the only thing. That I will write it to achieve something. Why do I do testing?
Tasks.
Huh?
Daily task commitment.
Really? That is our daily task?
To check any new functionality is breaking or existing functionality. Am I audible?
Yeah, I'm adding it. Check application. Okay, someone said I didn't understood the point. What was that? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
So what was the point?
You mean which I said the daily task?
Daily. Yeah. In why?
Yeah, the daily. Yeah, why I do, because like we have commitments, like so as per the business goals, as per the requirements, as per the sprint plan. So we have to follow the task.
Okay. Make sense?
To achieve customer satisfaction.
I got it here to grow customer business.
Okay.
To improve the customer quality. That will cover that point, right?
It's my role. It's my attributes of a tester.
You mean to say because you're a tester, you will do that, right?
Yes, attributes. I am a tester, so I have to do that testing.
Let me add a happy emoji here. Right? Look good with the emoji. Okay, cool.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. So now where I do environments, how I do peer review. Yeah, Prashant, valid point. We added here also what I do in the meetings. If you see brainstorming and all that, so we can simply copy that in the Scrum meeting. You know, peer review. So see, we are putting the link between reviews to how to do. So how we do reviews is by using peer review, discussions, and brainstorming. We can add. Okay, no, the Prashant was having a suggestion on chat, and which is a valid suggestion again. But he said the peer review should be what I do is correct. Yes, that is correct. How I do is a reference to the test cases defect code. That is also correct. So point is, what we do is in these reviews or peer reviews will come. But how we do reviews, how I'm doing reviews, these are the reviews. Again, we can put the those link here, you know, like attending the meetings, that we attend these meetings. So understand the difference, Prashant. Did you got my point? One thing is what
yes, Nagesh, I think just we need to put a dash there, peer review, test cases, like comma, defects, comma, something. For example.
Yeah, see, these are the reviews. So my point is what we do first and how we do. So
we need to remove this test cases and execution from what I do, and that's a suggestion. I mean, what I do is we can put there. Review is okay in what I do,
right?
And the peer review, how I do is with peer review of so and so.
No, that should come in the what also, no? What I do,
or we can park it for later, no issues.
Sure. Okay, so let me change the location of this because this is coming on top of.
Also, Nagesh, that decide priority we already have covered under how I do. Can we remove that from what I do?
Where we are
decide priority.
Decide priority.
the Scrum meeting we have added.
Just a minute. Otherwise, this one. So another same point, same topic. What I do these meeting. I decide priority. I do defect testing. What I do. I decide defect. I decide the defect priority. Decide the priority of defect testing and all that. But how I decide the priority in the Scrum meeting? Yeah, I can remove this point if you want. But decide priority should be here because in Scrum meeting we decide the priority. Okay, so I can add two more points here. What I did in last 24. What I will do next 24. This is standard Scrum. Okay, any blocker. So this is also I can say that this is how I can this is how I do Scrum. Yeah,
in daily stand-up only, like we will talk about those things.
Yeah. So I just started the recording. Yeah. So you mean to say, yeah, this is Scrum meeting, right? So this is
in the daily stand-up. We will discuss those things in every day.
So in the Scrum meeting also we do this. Scrum meeting daily stand-up is same.
Okay.
So another point. Remember, guys, we are trying to find out what I do. There's a difference between what I do and how I do. Okay, so the points can be repeated. It will get repeated. Always remember. Okay, so now let's see what I do. I do review, but how do I do the review? There are different methods. I do brainstorming. Okay, so what I do, I attend these meeting, daily Scrum or coffee. Okay, another reporting. So like reporting, what I do, I report the test result, daily status, I report, but how? So this reporting can come here also again. How I report it? By sending emails, so there's someone, then priority, how I decide the priority. We already decided here. In the Scrum meeting, we decide the priority. So please understand the difference here, because otherwise everything, no harm adding everything in what, but we have to add how also I do, why I do. Okay, so let me change here on this slide. Okay, so how many members are here now? Are we back, all of us? No, participants are less. Participants are less now. No worries. Okay, so guys, do you want to add more points here? Feel free, everyone. Has everyone contributed today? Someone joined with Pixel Excel. Who is Pixel Excel? Savita, Swati already contributed. Vikram?
Yeah, I think I missed the starting session. So are we covering the grooming session for the team?
Yeah, we already.
Nagesh.
Yeah.
Nagesh.
Hello.
Nagesh.
Yes.
Nagesh. Yeah, this is Sudarshan here. Just now I joined.
Yeah, no worries. No. Yes, sir. Welcome, sir. Good.
Yeah.
So yeah, we actually did the brainstorming. What is brainstorming, and there are different techniques. So, and that was the first part we discussed, and then we are doing a mind map, that a day of a tester, something like that. So we welcome all the inputs, whatever the inputs you feel that makes sense. And this is just on trial basis. This is we are learning. So we are going to add the points, what I do, how I do, when I do. So when I do, we can add multiple things. When I do.
Also, I would suggest in what I do is motivate the team, motivate the colleagues.
Yes, so we can add it as a coaching. Tester is a coach, right?
Yes.
What I do, I coach people, right? Okay. What? So what are the roles of coach? Teaching, mentoring, and the one word you use, what was the word? That's motivation. All right.
Motivation.
Motivating people, right? What else? Is Prashant back? Because I really eager to know that the point he was trying to say is he wants us to put it in SDLC format, right? So he's maybe his idea was like, you know, what we do on the requirement, what we do on the test execution, what we do on the defect, what we do on maintenance, something like that. Actually, I guess he's trying to say like that. Does it? Yeah, it makes sense. But you want me to put like that, or this is fine? This looks good.
This looks okay, but what I take it from Prashant is that he wanted to do whatever we do from on the SDLC side, like daily. First what we do, second what we do, like this. If I'm not wrong,
right,
and
right.
based on that we can implement it to the SDLC. That is what he wanted, I guess.
So, Vinod, do you want me to do like that? Do you want me to put it like that way, or this looks?
Let's check with him once, because even I am not that much sure. But even I thought that daily basis first. What he thought is
Yeah.
first we
So
check our emails.
we can yeah. So like let's see. So let's see what you can see. He added a topic here. So sorry, not here. I will remove this one. What I do on subtopics. So we do requirement. Okay. So like now on the requirement, I can say that analysis and writing test cases and what else we do with the requirements?
Requirements will be like, we get right any changes, we get it from the POs or on the defects or anything which needs to be retested and validated. Those should be put it first, because those are high.
Exploring testing kind of thing, exploring the requirements.
Exploratory testing we do, so we can add it in what I do testing. Where is the testing point was there?
In testing and the functional testing, then that will cover like everything, sanity, regression, exploratory.
Yeah, that's fine. That is also correct, right? So we do testing of different areas like this. What else? So this was the idea, guys, I had for today's discussion, that going forward you can write, or you can start putting into your ideas into mind map, so you can do a lot of exploration on that side. So we can create a mind map for, like, let's say Java for testers. So what testers need to know on the mind map or on the Java. So you can put it in a mind map on one page and you can publish it saying that this is what a tester should know. Similarly, let's take an example of your requirement. So you have one application under test. So you can create a mind map saying that, okay, I have to do functional testing. I have to do, this functionality. Let's consider a calculator. So I have to test the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all these percentage. So you can add, so then you can, so all these things I wanted to showcase today. So this is an initial mind map. This is not a full mind map. This may be not even correct, but I just wanted all of you to contribute. What I will do, I will quickly save it as a PNG file. Export. And I will say a day as a tester, that is fine. And I will exit it. We'll close at 1:30. So stop sharing. Okay, so fine. So guys, do you think this was a value add? Do you think that you got some nice information today?
Yes, absolutely.
So I hope you also try practice mind mapping into your project, into your day-to-day activity. You can create a mind map for your shopping instead of creating a list. So you go to shopping mall or in a grocery shop, you can say that, okay, I want all these lentils. So you can create all different type of lentils, all packed food, all different kind of packed food, all kitchen items, or all the textile garment, something like that. You can create a mind map and go with the mind map, and by doing that you will get more and more idea what exactly you want to buy. So these are the few techniques. Okay, so may I request all of you to just turn on their videos for a while, so I'll take a screenshot.
Hey Nagesh, before that, I prepared one mind map. It's just basically on the same thought which we are discussing. So if you can just take a look once, just a different topic way.
Sure. You can share. So where do you have it? You have it on a paper?
On the mind map only, because I'm not able to share my screen. So if you can allow maybe 2 minutes, we can just take a look. It is similar. Most of the topics are similar, but just I did it in a different way. That's it.
Hold on. I will make you host. Yes, Savita. So again, once you finish, you need to make me host. Okay. So you are a host now. You can share your screen.
Let me know if you guys can see.
Yes.
So I just the same points I just divided into somehow like as a day as a tester, I will start with the meeting. So I will have this much of meetings. Okay. So when it comes to the brainstorming, that would be like with the peers, with the Scrum team or a business team. It's the daily Scrum, what I did yesterday, hurdle faced, and what I'm planning to do today. So next is like which tools I used in a whole day. So like a defect tracking, automation, then the project management, even Outlook, attendance tool, leave tracker. Then also I included the breaks also. So my tea break, lunch break, or between the work break. Then going further, it's like testing. So it's a major part. So when it comes to test cases in the testing, it would be the test case. Then it will be like designing test case, execution of test cases, and review. If it's a functional test case execution, then the test case execution and the defect verification. Then in the testing, another point like defect management and what we do in the defect management. So raise the defect, analyze the defect, then prioritize them, assign them to the team, or defect discussion with the team. And again the part types. So these are the types, and if it's come to the automation, what we do in the automation. If it's a mobile, which platforms we normally use. So even API we can include more points. And then the coaching learning part of it. So new skills learning, or Google on any random word or topic we heard. Then the new tools, sharing ideas, KT, listening to the peer talk, or observing things. behavioral skills and coaching the same points. So it I just put the different points and just aggregate the same stuff. So it's not the different thing, but it's a
Awesome.
different way, we can say.
This is really wonderful. This is what actually I wanted to do. We went into wrong direction. No problem. This is really good. Can you share this one? Me just click on share this one and create a PNG image of it. PNG.
Great,
Yeah,
Savita. Really
yeah,
amazing.
yeah,
Transparent
yeah, transparent background. Yeah. So save it and you can see if you can share. Yeah, you can see if you can share this one on the chat. I guess you can
Yeah,
share the file.
chat I can share it. Okay, so
File. Yeah, you can share the file.
I have to make. So I have made you host. I will try to send this on the chat.
See, there is a file option is there.
Yeah, file option.
Minal, you have to make host me. I got the.
I have made you host now.
I guess you made Minal host. Okay.
Okay, fine. Maybe Minal has.
Minal? Thank you.
I sent the PNG file. Just check if you are able to.
Yeah, guys, download it. That's a very good, very well done, Savita. Very nice. So that's. So I feel satisfied that we have achieved something. We have done very good thing today, and I was able to at least initiate a talk on something new that you